Hi there, this website was built with ASP.NET in Visual Studio 2017 using C#, HTML5, and Bootstrap for responsive web design. And it is about the most popular restaurants in Canberra, using techniques like parallax scrolling, the carousel, and the accordion, which is in cuisine. There you go. And it has 6 tabs, and each of them talks about a different aspect of the restaurants. You can see the details here for Dixon Noodle House, and it also has the location. And when you click in here, you can see the description of the restaurants as well. And go to the website if you click in the link.